Guys, today we will be eating yummy egg toast. Look. Go. Go.
Diyan mo. Yan.
I seen this on pause. Guys, I seen this on what is it called again? YouTube, and it went viral. I even saw a little kid doing it. So that means I had to try it.
Ito lang itong isa. Konti lang yung pepper. Yung right side.
This one?
The right side.
Oh, this one.
Right one.
And it's pepper right there. Okay. Into. Oh, it's hot.
Still hot.
A little hot.
Pause mo na to.
Oh, look at that gooey inside. It's time to eat. So good. I actually added 2 layers of cheese. Why didn't it have a cheese pool?
The cheese melted.
Exactly.
It's toasted. See? Good.
Yes.
Stop ka na.
Yes.
Pause.